Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here. And in this episode, surprise, surprise, we're going to be doing yet another DMC challenge. And this month's challenge is to do, well, anything goes, actually. So we can do whatever we want. So recently I went to a toy collector's fair and came back with more Capris, because you can never have enough. And one of my other favourite cars, the Impala. And I've got 3 of them. Now, a while ago, I did a black Impala, so I'm not going to be doing that one. This one, I believe, is a taxi, but I'm going to do a bit more looking into it. I'm not sure it's the right body for the taxi. I think it has to be split into 2. But anyway, that's a future project. Which leaves me with this police version. I think there's supposed to be a sticker on there as well. There's a siren missing, and the aerial's broken, and there's something inside. So I'm hoping it's the siren. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing another Impala, but we're going to try and get this one back to its original condition, which is usually a challenge for me when it's a 2-tone top. But we'll have a go at it. We'll see what it comes out like. So let's get some tools out and see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Corgi Toys number 481, the Chevrolet Impala Police Patrol car. So what do we do with this one? Well, not too much. It's been a sympathetic restoration. Tried to get it back to how it looked originally. Took a liberty with the aerial, I must admit. I had to create something that looked like, and instead of using stickers for the labels, I used laser paper decals with a white backing. It brings it a little bit more up to date, and hopefully they'll wear better. So there we go. There's the DMC entry for midlife models. I'd like to thank, as always, everybody that's taken part in this month's challenge, which was the Anything Goes challenge. And if you get the opportunity, please visit our friends and look at their YouTube offerings. So this is PJ signing off till next time, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers.